Hello everyone, back in the video, and in this video we will be giving you an announcement of your calculator, that the calculator that we will be making in the upcoming video, in the next video. So basically, to make the calculator, what the basic widgets do we need? We need a button, we need a text box using the entry widget, and we will be performing some operations over by clicking over the window, hitting over the window. We will be accessing some values from user and placing it into the entry widget and giving some calculation using the eval method, and these things we will be doing into the next video. So I hope that you guys are enjoying the whole playlist and enjoying the video too, and sharing with your friends and hitting the like button, subscribing channel and commenting below. So by this thing will be more helping you, and in the next video we'll be seeing the calculator. Basically, calculator is used in calculator you have seen into your Microsoft, in the Microsoft Windows 10 and Windows 7, whatever you are using, and you can use you have seen your calculator into the mobile. If you are a mobile development, if you did a mobile development, you have seen that how you can make your calculator into the mobiles and mobile development, Android development things. And but in this video we will be making your calculator for your Windows machine. And calculator is the project that there are multiple projects we will be doing in this video, but calculator is one of them. So into the upcoming videos you will be also making the multiple Python projects with the Kinter GUI and the Notepad video too. And so these are the basic things. We will be making the GUI calculator using the Kinter. So basically we will be importing some modules, creating the window and adding some buttons like widget in the widget buttons, and performing some applications. We will be using the multiplication, subtraction, division, all this stuff we will be doing into the next video. This was your previous video that we had made a message that you can display with into your window. So all the things we will be doing into the next video, applying some trigger event. Basically I will be telling you how you can trigger some events into the next video. Events are really necessary into your into your window, into your application that you want to convey. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will be making an calculator. So let me I will be revising more about the events, because events are really necessary. The events are really necessary for you. That events are really will be necessary into the Notepad video we will be upcoming with, like events like copy to copy, cut, paste. These stuff functionality will be adding into your Notepad. So thanks for watching this video. We'll be meeting next time, and I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon too, and share the video. So comment below if you had any problem, then I will be giving the answer of your question into your comment. And you can get my Gmail ID from my about section, and you can mail me that what the problem do you have into your videos, into my videos. So thanks for watching video. We'll be meeting next time.